Into this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 DIY at home Valentine's Day photo shoot that you can try at home using your mobile phone. Alright guys, so for the first look, I'm going to be wearing this pink dress that I got from Shein, and I'm going to be using the iPhone X along with this shutter remote that I bought a long time ago that I haven't used in ages, but that's not the case. Yeah, so this is the look, and this is my tripod. I'm gonna give you guys like a mini tour of our location. So this is my tripod with the phone head thingy on it. So I'm just gonna put my phone here, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna put my phone here, and I'm gonna, do that. So yeah, this is the look. I'm also gonna turn like the main lights off. Let me do that now. Alright, so for our photo shoot, I'm gonna be using these LED lights right here. I'm gonna be using 2 of them, and then I'm gonna be using this family light as well, which is 60 watts. And the reason I'm going all out with lights is because I don't have like natural sunlight coming in here, so it's a bit skeptical. And then for our background, I'm just gonna use this white backdrop that I have at home with this fake plant. I don't know if this plant is gonna stay here, but we're gonna see what goes on. Yeah, so this is our tripod. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures now, and I'm gonna see you behind the scenes. Hey guys, so now we're on to location number 2, and this is the setup behind me. I'm gonna switch over really quick so that you guys can see, but yeah, so let me just give you guys a quick outfit check. So this is outfit number 2 for our shoot, and it's this white dress with the thingy in the back. I don't know what the thingy is called, but yeah. So let me show you guys like the setup really quick, and then we can get into the shoots. So yeah, I'm using this mirror, and this is my phone. I've set it up already. I have my lights set up as well. Alright guys, so I've drawn a heart on here. The heart is crooked, whatever, but yeah, there's a heart here. Now we're gonna like get into the section and see how this turns out. Alright guys, so this is look number 3, and for look number 3, we're going to be going for a more cozy, comfy vibe. I'm wearing this pink sweater and just some track pants, and yeah, so we're going for a homey vibe. So I'm going to be sitting in the couch. I'm going to show you guys like the little setup. It's not really a setup, like the location for this part of the photo shoot. So this is our little setup. I am going to be sitting in that sofa right there. I have my phone here and my lights are all set back here. So yeah, that is that. And we're going to be using the little intercom thing right there and just like pretend like we're on the phone having fun, you know. So yeah, let's get into it.